What up, guys? Crazy Gunner here, M9130. How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the truck. We got the truck right here. So it's all cleaned up, all pretty. So you guys want to see a tonneau cover review after 6 months of ownership. So this is my Tonneau Pro tonneau fold. There you go, guys, right there. Tonneau Pro tonneau fold, tri-fold, soft top for my 3rd gen 6-foot bed Toyota Tacoma. The reason why, you guys know why I bought this: it's light, it's easy to unclip, and easy to take off, easy to maintain, and it's, let me just say this right now, the cheapest one on Amazon. $250 tonneau cover, and it looks brand new, besides all these mud spots. Yeah, you guys know that I take this off road. So the first question is, Jerson, how do you like it? How's the build quality? How is it? Well, I'll say this right now, I'm fairly impressed by this product. For being cheap and effective and nice, it is very durable, and I've actually have not been let down. Nothing's been broken, no water leakage, and no anything crazy like that. So the other question was, are you happy with this? With your 6 months of ownership now, or however long it's been now since I first put it on. And yeah, I'm really happy. This truck has almost 10,000 miles on it. I had this on, I think, when it had like 1,200 miles on this truck, and the first week that I put this on, me and my fiance went up to Seattle, from Nevada to Seattle, back to Nevada, and we had this whole 6-foot bed filled with crap, and we didn't have a problem with snow, mud, sand, dirt, water, anything, and that was a 5,000 mile trip. So the other one is, how easy is this to move? So there's little things right here you just lift up on, and you got another one right here on the other side you lift up on, and then you just fold it. So this is a tri-fold, so 1, 2, and then 3 fold, and you could do this multiple ways, and this is how it is supported. It's a square beam structure on the inside, and these are the seals right here. This product will eventually get worn, and you could see wear marks right here, you could see some wear marks right here. The thing though that's probably gonna get worn the absolutely most is this right here. So right in the middle between the last and the middle, you have this, and mine's already slowly peeling, which you could see. I'm gonna try not to ruin this product, and this is how it goes on, and then that's also how it is right here. And you take those two off, and you can just pop this product on and off all day long. So let's put it down, and this is light. This is a 15-20 pound tonneau cover. If it does not move, it does not make any noises in the wind. It's actually really quiet, up to highway speeds. I'm not going to say to what highway speeds, but to highway speeds, it's pretty quiet actually. You don't really hear noises. My biggest complaint though is when you do get up to highway speeds sometimes, and there's like gust of wind, these will flap. But that is a minute problem, and most people have that issue. On that, this product has been amazing. The build quality is pretty darn good. No stitchings came loose, no staining, no sun, wear marks. And I live in Nevada. Yet again, we'll say this again, I live in one of the harshest states you can live in. And so far, this product has been amazing. I'm very do recommend buying one for the price if you can't afford a well, this is a good example. When you can't afford a backflip, here we go. So for you guys know, this is a backflip. This is probably a $1,500 tonneau cover, and this is a $250 tonneau cover, and this thing does the same thing as that. So you just can't stand on this. You could actually stand on that one. So yeah, that's not worth $1,500. That's my dad's shit. I don't deal with that stuff. But yeah, the $250 tonneau cover does great. Protects the bed, protects your belongings, protects your investment. And I had this one weird question that's been actually kind of going around. Hey Jerison, what if someone breaks in my bed? Well, what happens? Well, I mean, look, that's my finger, guys. That's my finger right there. Someone's gonna take a knife and just cut it open. You could take a rock and cut this thing open. It's flimsy. It's literally, someone will break in your bed. It doesn't matter. If someone's gonna break in your truck, it doesn't matter what's stopping them. They're gonna break in your truck no matter what. So how to put this back? Move this over. Move this down. Push it down. Now this does take a minute or two, but and boom, it's on. Just like so. You just lift up the tailgate. Boom. You can see there's no gap, and if there is a gap, it's such a minute little gap right here that I've never had a problem. I've never had anything, and it still looks good. You know, it doesn't ruin the look of the truck. I kind of do wish it was a little more fit and finished on this truck. You guys can look down it on this side, and then it'll come over here down on this side. I mean, it's pretty good. I got it on there pretty decent. So yeah, I recommend it. You know, if you can't afford a backflip or anything crazy, buy yourself a Tonneau Pro tonneau cover. You know, it's good. $250 does its job. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment, share, ask more questions on the products that I have, and I'll let you know. I'll be honest with you guys. You know, I'm not getting paid. I'm tiny. I'm a tiny YouTuber, so tiny YouTuber in a big pond. So appreciate it, guys. Catch you on the next one.